Well, it's a cold night tonight, but we're off out to have a bit of fun. It's a stargazing event at Weardale Railway. So in about half an hour we're going to jump on a train and we're going to go down to an area where there's no light pollution, so hopefully we'll get some photographs of the night sky. There were also some exciting space-themed activities on and around the platform, hosted by Charlotte, a secondary school science teacher. These included a particularly good rocket simulation. We also paid a visit to Platform 2 Market, which sells local crafts and was open today especially for the event. Normally it's open Wednesday to Sunday. Oh, and of course they do sell some of my prints. So as you can see, we've got the high vis on. It's starting to get dark now. Another 10 minutes and we'll be on the train. Right, that's it. All aboard. That's it, the train's come to a halt. We're about to be getting off. When we got there, we spent the next couple of hours watching and photographing the night sky with the help of Bishop Auckland Astronomical Society. And just like that, it's all over. Back we go on the train. That's it. We're back at Stand-Up Station. That was a grand night. You never know when you're going to organise this sort of event, whether the weather's going to play ball, but thankfully it did, and we had nice clear skies. Hopefully we've got some decent photographs. Well, I did okay with the images, so I'll pop some of them on screen now. I've also included my camera settings for those that are interested. Finally, a big thanks to the team at Weardale Railway for an excellent night, which absolutely everybody seemed to enjoy. See you in the next one.